you're on.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Nabil Orfali. I am founder and CEO of Kajoo.ai. And today I'm going to just show you a glimpse of the new features that we've been introducing into Kajoo. But first, what is Kajoo? So it's a digital experience platform. It's an AI-powered digital experience builder for the composable and headless world. So we focus on really like two main parts. The builder, which is really a visual builder that can really streamline the development process and saves up to 70% of time for developers to build digital experience, converting them with AI from Figma designs or existing implementation, convert them to a Kajoo universal language in the canvas here, and then output Next.js, React, or Angular or Vue. And today I will just show you a use case that I did. I presented yesterday. So this is really, I converted the .cms, universal CMS event page into Kajoo universal language. And I have it here converted into this, fully editable and responsive. But I got some changes that I asked. I'm a developer here now, trying to launch this page in a different platform with JavaScript. I want to integrate it with content stack, but I have some requirements here as a developer. The marketing team asked me to add a new component to this page, which is the awards component. So they give me a Figma design here for this .cms page, and they want me to add this awards into the page. So I'm going to build this component. I will use the Kajoo Figma plugin, and I will convert this into the Kajoo format. Come here. I'll call it awards and convert it. So I have it right now here, converted. I have my DOM and elements with the right styles. But after I did that, and I made it responsive and it's ready, they send me another change. They say, can you make the background white and the text dark, because I want to make it a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna now use a new feature that we introduced. We've been training a model, an LLM model, a couple of models actually, to be able to generate the Kajoo universal language and open it for editing in the canvas. So I'm gonna just click here and add a prompt. I'm gonna say, change the background color to white and the text to black. And now AI is gonna go and over all the elements and the DOM and the styles and style sheet and change that for me. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. It's a little bit slow. There you go. So I changed the text and the background for all the elements and the CSS for me. And now I can just go ahead here and add these awards to maybe between these two components. And I have my instance of the component on the page. And then 2 hours after, I was like, we got another requirement from the marketing team saying, oh, we need to really change this. This is a boring hero banner. I want like a colorful gradient hero banner, but designer is off. Can you design something? But it has to be based on the design system on our brand. I'm like, okay, so I'll go here to generate with AI. I'll use this prompt template, but I'll say, okay, the style, I want it gradient, and I will use the primary color from my design system, and maybe the secondary color, black, and the primary font and the secondary font. So I'll specify that, and I will see what it will generate. Now, note that everything that AI is generating, here you go, that's pretty good, is basically editable. It's generated in the Kajoo universal language, and I have full control over the editing here. All the elements that is generated, and I have, it has the CSS, and everything is ready. So I can just come here, drag it here, delete this hero banner, the old one, and I have a pretty cool page. I will now choose to generate Next.js or React. I will just go React.
1 minute left.
And I will now generate the code, deploy it to a container in Code Sandbox, open it for preview, and send a URL to the marketer to say, here is the page, do your AT, approve it, give me feedback. And it will just take 5 seconds to start up the container. I'll open it in a new window, and I have my URL. This is the page, drum roll. And it's ready. And I'm done. Thank you so much.
How long have you been working on the AI piece of this?
5 years.
5 years, okay.
Oh, this specifically?
Yeah, this one, yeah.
Like a little bit below a year.
Because we saw this obviously in the previous CMS Idol, but I've also seen previous demos of it as well. So this is a new feature.
It's a new feature, yeah. So the previous AI model that we had, it was an LLM. We built it 5 years ago. We trained a machine learning algorithm neural network to convert sketch to code. But this is like Gen AI, LLM, 2 models that we've been training to generate the Kajoo universal language.
Cool, awesome. Let's go to our judges. Mark, let's start off.
Very nice, especially since last time. I think you've come a long way, both in tightening up the message and tightening up what you're showing. I think last time you were trying to show everything,
Yeah.
and this time it was like, okay, here's the one thing, the 2 things, here's how easy it is, here's that narrative, start to finish. Very nicely done.
Thank you.
Yeah, perfect.
Appreciate it.
Joyce, ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Bring it on.
So I liked the slogan, your democratization of AI. I thought that was a really nice approach, and I also liked your logo. The Kajoo logo is really nice. These things kind of mean something to me. But when you talk about democratization, I also think about other related topics like accessibility and inclusion. And looking at your interface, I was wondering, have you tested this from is this an accessible interface for somebody that, for example, would be using a screen reader to navigate? It just seemed like it was really busy and there was a lot going on.
Accessibility checker built in, and you can see I tested this page, and it will give me the issues.
It's not a talk show.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Great. But does it navigate? Does it navigate in an accessible way as an interface? Okay, that's great. And then the other thing I thought about is, that you're using, so you were talking about the design system. Is that the customer's design system, or is that your design system?
A customer design system.
Okay,
Cool.
nice. Yeah,
Awesome.
very good.
Since Mark wasn't so mean, hopefully we can finish off the comedy department.
Okay. No, I liked it. It was cool. Very impressive. I like the whole concept of it being AI-powered, digital experience builder. It's like a whole new category thing here. So really, really nice. Problem, like, I don't know why you changed that banner to that wimpy, like, faded color, though. I mean, what the hell? And also, your client, you should tell them, like, no, fuck you. Like, 2 changes, all right, but the 3rd one, forget about it.
Yeah, your designer needs work-life balance.
Yeah, he needs to grow a backbone and just say no. Like, you had a couple chances and too late now. And then finally, democratizing AI. No, AI, like, killer robots, not democratize. Like, what are they gonna vote now? The robots? That's not what AI is for. But other than that, good job. Yeah, it's really nice.
Well, you did not disappoint us, thank you.